Hanging plants for shade bring lush greenery and vibrant blooms to low-light areas, adding charm to patios, balconies, and indoor spaces. These low-maintenance plants enhance aesthetics while purifying the air, making them perfect for shaded environments. Here are the best hanging plants for shade. Let's begin with fuchsia. The fuchsia hanging plant is a stunning choice for shaded areas, offering elegant, drooping flowers in vibrant shades of pink, purple, and red. Thriving in cool, indirect light, it brings a graceful, cascading effect to patios, balconies, and gardens. Regular watering and well-drained soil keep it healthy, while its long-lasting blooms attract hummingbirds. This low-maintenance beauty adds charm and color to shaded spaces, making it a perfect addition for those seeking a vibrant yet delicate floral display. Dragon wing begonia. The dragon wing begonia is a stunning hanging plant that thrives in shaded areas, producing glossy, wing-shaped leaves and cascading clusters of bright red or pink flowers. It flourishes in indirect light, offering continuous blooms from spring to fall with minimal care. This hardy, low-maintenance plant is perfect for adding lush greenery and vibrant color to patios, balconies, or shaded garden spots. With regular watering and occasional feeding, dragon wing begonias create a beautiful, eye-catching display in any space. Brovalia, also known as the sapphire flower, is a beautiful hanging plant ideal for shaded areas. It produces delicate, star-shaped blue or purple flowers that bloom continuously, adding a soft, elegant touch to patios, balconies, and gardens. Thriving in indirect light, it requires minimal maintenance, preferring well-drained soil and regular watering. Its trailing growth habit makes it perfect for hanging baskets, where it creates a cascading effect of lush green foliage and vibrant blooms, enhancing any shaded space effortlessly. Impatiens. Impatiens are a perfect choice for shaded hanging baskets, offering a profusion of bright, cheerful blooms in shades of pink, red, white, and purple. Thriving in indirect light, they provide continuous color from spring to fall with minimal care. These low-maintenance plants prefer moist, well-drained soil and regular watering. Their lush, trailing growth creates a full, cascading effect, making them ideal for patios, balconies, and shaded garden spaces. Impatiens bring vibrant beauty to any low-light area with ease. Golden creeping jenny, Lysimachia nummularia aurea, is a vibrant trailing plant perfect for shaded hanging baskets. Its cascading, golden yellow foliage creates a striking contrast in low-light areas, adding brightness to patios, balconies, and gardens. Thriving in moist, well-drained soil, it requires minimal care and spreads beautifully, softening edges and filling spaces with lush, trailing growth. This hardy, low-maintenance plant enhances shaded areas with its unique color and texture, making it a great choice for adding warmth and charm. Chenille plant, Acalypha hispida, is a striking hanging plant known for its long, fuzzy, red catkin-like flowers that cascade beautifully over the edges of baskets. Thriving in partial shade, it adds vibrant texture and color to patios, balconies, and shaded garden spaces. This tropical beauty prefers warm temperatures, moist, well-drained soil, and regular watering to maintain its lush foliage and continuous blooms. With minimal maintenance, the chenille plant creates a bold, eye-catching display in any shaded environment. Lobelia is a delicate yet vibrant hanging plant perfect for shaded areas, producing cascading trails of small, bright blue, purple, or white flowers. Thriving in cool temperatures and indirect light, it adds soft, airy beauty to patios, balconies, and garden spaces. This low-maintenance plant prefers moist, well-drained soil and regular watering to maintain its lush blooms. With its trailing habit and continuous flowering, Lobelia creates an elegant, flowing display, making it an excellent choice for shaded hanging baskets. Bacopa is a charming trailing plant ideal for shaded hanging baskets, featuring small, delicate white, pink, or lavender flowers that bloom continuously. Thriving in partial shade, it adds a soft, cascading effect to patios, balconies, and gardens. This low-maintenance plant prefers moist, well-drained soil and regular watering to keep its foliage lush and flowers abundant. Bacopa's trailing stems create a graceful, flowing display, making it a perfect choice for enhancing shaded outdoor spaces with effortless beauty and elegance. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a classic shade-loving hanging plant known for its lush, arching fronds that create a graceful cascading effect. Thriving in partial to full shade, it prefers moist, well-drained soil and high humidity, making it perfect for patios, balconies, and shaded garden areas. This low-maintenance fern enhances outdoor spaces with its vibrant green foliage while also improving air quality. Regular watering and occasional misting help maintain its lush appearance, making it a timeless choice for shaded hanging baskets. Nasturtium tropaeolum is a versatile hanging plant that thrives in partial shade, producing vibrant, funnel-shaped flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Its trailing vines and round, green leaves create a lush, cascading effect, perfect for patios, balconies, and garden spaces. This low-maintenance plant prefers well-drained soil and moderate watering. Nasturtiums not only add beauty but also attract pollinators and have edible leaves and flowers, making them a functional and eye-catching choice for shaded hanging baskets. Staghorn fern, Platycerium bifurcatum, is a unique and striking hanging plant that thrives in shaded areas. Its antler-like fronds create a dramatic, sculptural display, making it a standout addition to patios, balconies, or indoor spaces. This epiphytic fern absorbs moisture and nutrients from the air, requiring minimal soil. It prefers indirect light, high humidity, and regular misting to maintain its lush, green appearance. With proper care, the staghorn fern adds a bold, tropical touch to any shaded environment. Sweet potato vine, Ipomia batatas, is a fast-growing, trailing plant perfect for shaded hanging baskets. Its lush, cascading foliage comes in vibrant shades of green, purple, and bronze, adding rich texture and color to patios, balconies, and gardens. Thriving in partial shade, it prefers moist, well-drained soil and regular watering. This low-maintenance plant grows quickly, creating a full, flowing effect. With its striking leaves and vigorous growth, sweet potato vine enhances shaded spaces with effortless beauty and lush greenery. Orchid, Phalaenopsis amabilis, also known as the moth orchid, is an elegant hanging plant that thrives in shaded areas with indirect light. Its arching stems produce long-lasting, delicate flowers in white, pink, or yellow, adding a touch of sophistication to patios, balconies, and indoor spaces. This low-maintenance epiphyte prefers high humidity, well-draining orchid bark, and occasional watering. With its graceful blooms and minimal care requirements, the Phalaenopsis orchid is a stunning choice for enhancing shaded hanging displays. Taurinia fournieri, also known as the wishbone flower, is a charming hanging plant perfect for shaded areas. It produces vibrant, trumpet-shaped blooms in shades of purple, blue, pink, and yellow, with a unique wishbone-shaped stamen. Thriving in partial to full shade, it prefers moist, well-drained soil and regular watering. Its trailing habit creates a lush, cascading effect, making it ideal for hanging baskets on patios and balconies. Low maintenance and long blooming, Taurinia adds continuous color and elegance to shaded spaces. Dichondra Silver Falls is a stunning trailing plant perfect for shaded hanging baskets. Its cascading silvery green foliage creates a soft, flowing effect, adding texture and elegance to patios, balconies, and garden spaces. Thriving in partial shade, it is drought-tolerant and requires minimal maintenance, preferring well-drained soil and occasional watering. Its fast-growing, trailing stems can reach several feet, making it ideal for creating a waterfall-like display. With its unique color and resilience, Silver Falls enhances shaded areas with a sophisticated touch. Coleus, Plectranthus scutellarioides. Coleus is a vibrant hanging plant perfect for shaded areas, known for its stunning, multicolored foliage in shades of red, pink, green, and yellow. Its cascading varieties create a lush, trailing effect in hanging baskets, adding rich texture and color to patios, balconies, and garden spaces. Thriving in partial to full shade, Coleus prefers moist, well-drained soil and regular watering. This low-maintenance plant is easy to grow and enhances shaded areas with its bold, eye-catching leaves and effortless beauty.